Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Javen Postal, and today at the grill, we're making a delicious barbecue chicken sandwich topped with some grilled pineapple, and it's absolutely incredible. And so just like always, I'm gonna put all the show notes as well as the full recipe in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this cook. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the cook. As I said, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I appreciate you being here. Today at the grill, we're gonna be smoking up these delicious boneless chicken thighs, and then I'm gonna use them to make some delicious barbecue chicken sandwiches topped with some slaw and some grilled pineapple, and this is going to be so good. And so to get started, you're gonna need some boneless chicken thighs. We also have our pineapple and some slaw and some brioche buns. And so the first thing that we need to do is just look over our chicken thighs. And you'll notice that on some of these there is some fat deposits, and so we're gonna just slice some of that off. Just clean it up a little bit. We're also just gonna trim off any of this loose stuff that will just fall off or burn during the cooking process. All right, those are cleaned up enough for me. And so to season these chicken thighs today, use your favorite chicken rub. Today I'm gonna be using my Postal Barbecue chicken rub. This stuff is so good. And we're just gonna liberally coat both sides of this. We're gonna start on the underside. And you can pick up this chicken rub on my website, and I'll put a link to that in the description box for you. There we go, flip those over. Hit the top side again with that chicken rub. And so with our boneless chicken thighs all seasoned up, let's go ahead and get the slow and sear kettle set up for cooking around 275 degrees. So to set up our grill today, I placed in about a half a chimney basket of unlit briquettes into the slow and sear basket. I went ahead and got those coals partially lit using my sous vide gun, and then I opened my top vent and smoke hole about a quarter of the way open to maintain that temperature of 275 degrees. So with our kettle up to temperature, let's go ahead and get our chicken thighs onto the grill opposite the coals. There we go, and then I'm gonna grab a digital thermometer. I'm gonna place this into the thickest part of this chicken thigh. It's a little bit tricky, but you can still get it in there. And then lastly, I'm gonna place a little bit of cherry wood over those coals. So with everything on the ground, I'm gonna close up the lid, and we're gonna begin cooking these chicken thighs until they reach an internal temperature of around 175 degrees. So with our chicken thighs bathing away in that cherry wood smoke, let's go ahead and prepare our pineapple, because we're gonna grill this over those hot coals at the very end. And so what we're gonna do is just slice off the top and the bottom. Then we're just gonna take our knife and run it down the sides. So from this point, you have a couple different options. You could make some ring slices this way, or what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna take my knife and just cut it right close to that center core. Move this one off to the side, and we're gonna take slices out of this, and we're gonna go about a 1/4 inch thick. All right, we're gonna move this off to the side, and then we're gonna check up on our chicken. So our chicken is about halfway done now, and so I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of sauce just to add some extra flavor layers to these thighs. And so I'm just gonna be careful when I apply this sauce, just to not disturb our rub so much. And then I'm gonna flip them over. I'm gonna do the other side as well. Then I'm gonna quickly close up that lid again, and we're gonna let these chicken thighs continue to cook until they reach that internal temperature of 175 degrees. So it's been around an hour now since we put these boneless chicken thighs onto the grill, and our internal temperature has come up to the point that we're looking for. And so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna open up the grill, and I'm going to just move some of these coals around just to give an even layer so that we can do some direct grilling over those hot coals to add a little bit of extra flavor to this chicken. So we're just gonna place those directly over those hot coals. And it's not gonna take very long. All right, those look nice, so I'm gonna remove these ones from the heat. And then what I'm gonna do is just gonna clean off my grill grate. And then we'll throw that next batch on there. So these ones are also done. And then again, we're gonna clean off our grill grate. And this is important because we don't want any of that bitterness that's remaining on that grill from our sauce to transfer onto our pineapple. And so let's go ahead and we will place some of our pineapple onto the grill. We're gonna grill this off. We'll flip these guys over. Look at that nice char on these pineapples. Oh, this is gonna be so good. And so after only about a minute, we're gonna remove this pineapple off the direct heat. And then the last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my bun and I'm just gonna toast that over those hot coals quickly. And this is only gonna take a few seconds. All right, there we go. And so with our buns toasted, let's go ahead now and start to make this barbecue chicken sandwich. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of barbecue sauce on the bottom. And this is just gonna add to that barbecue flavor that we're going for with this dish. Next, I'm gonna grab a couple pieces of our chicken, place that on there. All right, that looks really nice. And then I'm gonna grab a couple slices of our pineapple. I'll place that on. And then I'm gonna top it with a little bit of coleslaw right on top. We're not putting any sauce on it at all. And then I'm gonna top it one last time with a little bit of our barbecue sauce. And just look at this sandwich. Oh, this looks so amazing. All right, so just to recap what we did to make this barbecue chicken sandwich with that grilled pineapple is I first of all seasoned these chicken thighs and then placed them on the grill. And then partway through I added some sauce, I gave them a flip and I let them come up to our desired temperature of around 175 degrees. And then I seared them off just to add a little bit of color, a little bit of extra flavor. Did the same to the pineapple and then built this sandwich and it turned out phenomenal. And so let's go ahead and go for the taste test. Oh, I can't wait to dive into this. Guys, this barbecue chicken sandwich turned out so good. The flavor of that chicken with that rub is coming through really nice. You can taste that smokiness from that cherry wood, and then you taste the grilled pineapple, the sweetness that comes through, that fruitiness that comes through. It really complements this chicken thigh really, really nicely. And the fact that we grilled off the pineapple and the chicken at the very end just adds another layer of flavor, which really just complements this sandwich so well. And so if you've never tried a sandwich like this before, make sure to give it a try because it's simple to do, it doesn't take a lot of time, and the flavors are phenomenal. You're gonna love it for sure. I'm gonna get back into this and enjoy this barbecue chicken sandwich. So that's how you make that delicious and smoky barbecue chicken sandwich with that grilled pineapple. It's absolutely incredible. Hey, if you want to see more barbecue videos just like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Also, special thank you to all my patrons out there who help support this channel every single week. Until next time, keep that fire lit and get cooking.